Well, hello everyone. I want to make a video right quickly. I'm trying to get back onto YouTube. This is Radio Preacher Man for those that know me like that. And then otherwise, I go by Brian. Some know me like that. This video is regarding how I lost 4 pounds in 30 hours, which could be helpful if you got to go to a wedding or something. You want to have a little thinner face, maybe a little thinner stomach, because I'm a middle-aged man and that seems to be the priority. But anyway, my mother, she's like, oh, you're solid. You got arm muscles. And my wife, she just sees my belly. Anyway, so it can be done. And it was not easy, but it wasn't terribly hard. I did reduce calories, I think, yesterday. Did not cut sugar out completely. I had a piece of ice cream cake. There was one left from my birthday. So I had that. And what else? Yeah. Then we went out to Costco land for a bit of groceries. Pardon the British accent. It's not real. It's just, I'm nervous maybe. Anyway. So I had one of the coffees from Costco. It's a frozen coffee. It's got some calories. I think 400 maybe. And then we went to the milk tea place, and I had half of a blueberry yogurt from the milk tea store. Now, that was probably another 400 calories. So I didn't totally restrict calories. And then last night, I thought, man, I'm not going to eat. I've had enough to drink these calories. But guess what? Those are empty calories. So if you're trying to lose weight, I would not suggest you drink all your calories. You know, you're not supposed to drink the calories. You're supposed to eat whole, healthy foods. So my wife made a meal, and it was fish and noodles made out of, I believe, rice noodles. And so again, that's not exactly health food when you have noodles of any kind. So, but it was a smallish portion, about half of what I used to eat. And so I'm cutting portions. Then I went for approximately 18 hours on this fast. I have not eaten since that bowl of food last night, about 8 or 8:30 p.m. So, which is late for me, but we stayed out and watched a movie. And anyway, I'm just saying all of this to encourage all of you in my viewing audience that you can lose weight in a hurry. Now, you're going to say, well, some of that's just water weight, Brian. And some of it probably is. But I would like to think that I'm in fat burning mode because I did exercise during the fast. I went to church this morning, came home, and we did a little brainstorming together, my wife and I. And then I said, I've got to get to the gym today. So I went to the gym and I ran about 16 laps, 3.75 miles on a treadmill after I did my arms and chest a little bit with the weights. Nothing extreme, but did some sauna time. And so, yeah, it's true. Some of that water weight could come back tomorrow if I'm not very careful. So what I want to do tonight, and I'm 4.3 pounds down from 5 o'clock yesterday morning to now, and I think it's about 3 in the afternoon now. So a good 30 hours of fasting, and it might be 4. I don't even know what time it is. But about 30 hours, I figure, of fasting. No, that's not the fast. The fast is about 18 hours, about 30 hours from the time I weighed in yesterday morning to the time I'm weighing in this afternoon. So, yes, if I had to go to a wedding or a party tonight, I'm in my skinny sweats. I'm in my skinny clothing right now. So, yeah, that's nothing, 4 pounds, right? I need to lose 4 more, maybe 40 more. We're on it, though. My point is, I just want to encourage anyone who's in my predicament. Maybe you're middle-aged, and maybe you weighed a third less 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Okay, but it's a lot of weight. It's just 2 pounds a year, but over 35 years, okay, since I went in the Army, over 35-year period of time, that's 70 pounds. And that's a lot. That's a lot. So I'm not saying I'm going to be back to 138 like I was before my military days. That's not likely to happen. I'm 56. I have a family with kids in the house, so the wife's going to cook, and I'm going to eat. Okay, but I am going to lose some more weight, and I'll try to document it and update you on that. I'm going to just keep this process going. I hope to keep all this weight down for tomorrow. If I eat very light tonight, then perhaps I will. But I'll keep y'all posted, and I appreciate your time. And all of you have a wonderful day.